Welcome to Positive Healthy Living. Walking 10,000 steps a day has become a popular fitness goal for many to achieve in recent years. Though it's not the end-all and be-all of fitness goals, it is a great way to motivate yourself to move more and to lessen your time that you spend sitting. Research has shown that the more steps you take in a day, the better it is for you. Aiming to walk 10,000 steps a day, or any number that presents a challenge based on your current activity level, can have a tremendous impact on almost every part of your body and overall health. Let's look at 8 of the biggest health benefits you can expect to see from walking 10,000 steps a day. 1. It will boost your heart health. Regular physical activity helps increase the amount of oxygenated blood being sent to your muscles. The fitter you are, the more easily this happens, and the harder you will be able to work out. If you walk 10,000 steps a day, you will have what is medically called a bigger stroke volume. This basically means how much blood the heart pumps per beat will be much greater, compared to somebody who only gets, say, 1,000 steps a day. A larger stroke volume is a sign of greater aerobic capacity, and aerobic capacity is arguably the best predictor of mortality and disease. 2. Strengthens your lungs and bones. As the rate and volume of oxygen you inhale goes up, so does your body's ability to use it efficiently. The extra oxygen that you are intaking while you're walking is benefiting you and your lungs without you even realizing it. In addition, the physical aspect of walking places extra stress on your bones, which ultimately helps improve their density and lowers your risk for osteoporosis later in life. This is why it is suggested so often to help those people with arthritic pain, because walking is low impact and it's a great way to promote muscle activity, along with its great respiratory benefits. 3. You could help stabilize your blood sugar. When you're physically active, your muscles use more of the glucose in your bloodstream. Activity also helps the insulin in your body work more efficiently, so after a meal, those who get in 10,000 steps a day will have a much lower glucose and insulin response in their blood than, say, an inactive person would. And that surge of glucose and insulin after a meal is a big predictor of who will develop diabetes down the road, and also a predictor of cardiovascular disease. 4. You could improve your brain's performance. The ability to learn new tasks, grow new brain cells, and stave off cognitive decline are all aided by daily moderate exercise. Studies have shown that just one bout of exercise enhances the brain's ability to recognize, repair, and adapt to new situations. The Journal of Psychology says that aerobic exercise, such as walking, may also spur new cell growth in the hippocampus area of the brain that regulates emotion and memory. Physical activity also boosts the release of feel-good hormones and also increases blood flow to the brain, which results in improved cognitive function. Not only do you feel less stressed and anxious when you regularly move, but you are also working towards improving your creativity, productivity, and concentration. 5. You'll reinforce healthy habits. There is one difference between a stepper and a non-stepper. It is the strength of will. Small successes build upon themselves. And if someone got in 10,000 steps yesterday, and perhaps even the day before, they are most certainly going to try to hit that mark again the following day. The whole premise of getting in 10,000 steps a day is based upon making movement a regular part of your normal day routine. The mindset ultimately is a game changer when it comes to weight loss, as a behavioral change is so dependent upon creating good daily habits. And good daily habits ultimately result in a healthier you. 6. You could store less body fat. Studies show when someone who exercises regularly eats the same food as that of an inactive person, it is used differently by the body to fuel key systems. Those calories, unfortunately, are more likely to be stored as fat or in the liver in the inactive person. Also, studies show that those who get in regular exercise are also better able to handle those inevitable periods of splurge or excess, like on holiday dinners such as Thanksgiving, and they won't gain as much weight. 7. It improves flexibility. Walking 10,000 steps a day will guarantee you more flexibility in your body. In turn, you will see improved posture and a reduced risk for injury on other daily activities and chores. It also decreases the number of aches and pains you feel during the day, because as you move more, there is more blood circulation in your body, which ultimately results in better mobility and less nagging in those aches and pains that you typically would get. 8. It boosts your mood and energy levels. Physical activity is a great way to boost your mood and energy levels, and fight the fatigue as it strengthens the heart and improves your circulation. Physical activity triggers the release of key neurotransmitters like endorphins, serotonin, and dopamine, all of which play key roles in mood control. So there you have it, 8 benefits of daily meditation. Are you trying to achieve 10,000 daily steps? Have you seen benefits in your life that were not mentioned? Leave a comment down below and let us know what benefits you've seen. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit that bell notification icon to be notified of all our new videos that we release. Thanks for watching, and again, go live life positive and healthy.